Hey, sixth graders. So we're going to be working on finding the volume of rectangular prisms this week. But before we start, I just need you to see my buddy. Oh, yes. Hello. He's really excited. So this work isn't going to be too hard for you, but I wanted to give you a quick review. So the first sheet you're coming to, the first packet, is the counting packet, and finding volume through counting isn't going to be that hard. I'm just going to show you an example. So in this problem, it says count the unit cubes and find the volume of each rectangular prism. So each little cube is worth 1, and in order to find this by counting, you would have to count up how many cubes are on each layer. So I can see a top layer right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 in one layer, and I can check and see how many layers there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 12 is 84. So let's check and make sure I'm on the right track. Ooh, yes I am. All right, so that's that page. The next one is very similar, except you're going to be matching your answer to an answer below. So let me show you with the example. On this one, in order to find the volume of how many cubes are in this rectangular prism, I would count the layer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 cubes in a top layer. And how many layers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was 3 times 3 times 4. So 3 times 3 times 4 is 36. So let's look down here. Do any of these match? Well, this one would. So if I said 3 times 3 times 4 is 36. So the answer for the example is J, 4, because 4 is the number that is missing. All right, so that's that page. Identifying volume of a box. So the volume you're finding here is this ghost box. See how the box goes up and out and down, and it doesn't show both layers full of cubes. It's just letting you see how many cubes are in a bottom layer and then how many more layers could fit in here. So when you find these answers, find how many cubes would fit in the entire ghosty box there. All right, so that's that sheet. And finally, this sheet is kind of fun. These are problems where you can find by counting if you want, or by multiplication. You find the volume of how many cubes would be in one part, and then you find the volume of how many cubes are in the other part, and you put them together. All right, and the answers to that can go on the side. So after you're done all these sheets, I want you to check them and then write how many you got correct on the top of the sheet. Good job.